What's going on, plugins? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Mikey Williams' arrest, his future at Memphis, and his court date that he just had. Before we get into this video, make sure you drop a like, and if you're new here, sub to the channel and become a part of the family. Now let's get into the video. Before we get into what Penny Hardaway said and Mikey Williams' court date, let's do a quick rundown of what happened to Mikey Williams a week ago. On April 14th, Mikey Williams was arrested in San Diego on assault with a deadly weapon and other charges, but was released on a $50,000 bail. This incident happened at Mikey Williams' home in San Diego on March 27th. Reports are saying there was a verbal argument about guests in the house being asked to leave, so Mikey Williams didn't want these people in his house, and they didn't like that, so it turned into a heated argument. So at first it doesn't sound like a big deal, but then Mikey Williams does the unthinkable. So the 5 people leave and get into a car. As they were driving away, shots were fired. The car was hit, but nobody was hurt. So he shot the car when he was leaving, and he's lucky nobody was hit, because this situation could have been way worse than it is right now if someone got hit. And people are saying he's going to try and claim self-defense, but it's going to be hard to say this was self-defense when the 5 people were leaving his house and at this point wasn't a threat to him. So it's really going to be hard for his lawyers to say this was self-defense. His defense attorney gave a statement about reports that Mikey Williams allegedly matched the description of the shooter. This is what his attorney had to say about that. "We are aware of several narratives being advanced online that are not factual and are designed to humiliate Mr. Williams. We are confident that the truth will come to light. Mr. Williams is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law." So from these statements, it looks like Mikey Williams is not the one who fired shots at the car and he's innocent. But what do y'all think, plugins? Do y'all think Mikey Williams did this or nah? Drop y'all opinions in the comments. Now let's talk about his future at Memphis. Mikey Williams might be in jeopardy of losing his scholarship. Penny Hardaway gave a statement saying this: "I can't even speak on the case. I have respect for the ongoing process of what's happening. I don't know enough to speak on it. That's all I have to say about that. I don't really have anything else to say about it." He also said this: "I mean, I'm going to continue to recruit, but as of right now, Mikey's still with us. That's how I have to keep it until otherwise. That's why I say I can't really speak on the case. Nothing has happened thus far." So Penny Hardaway and Memphis are not going to pull his scholarship until more information comes out about his case. Well, today we got more info because Mikey Williams had his first court date. He pleaded not guilty to multiple felony counts of assault with a firearm, and he agreed to a 4th Amendment waiver, which allows law enforcement to search his property without a warrant or probable cause, and he agreed that he's not in possession of any firearms. Mikey Williams is due back in court on June 15th, but he filed a request that would make his immediate court appearance unnecessary, and instead his legal team can be there, but he will be required to appear either in person or virtual for a preliminary hearing that is scheduled for June 29th. If convicted of all charges, Mikey Williams will face up to 28 years in prison. So plugins, this is a very serious situation, and he could end up going to jail. I hope this doesn't happen, and maybe he can just get probation and still play college basketball at Memphis. I can't believe Mikey put himself in this situation. He got everything going for him, making millions of dollars, got a Puma shoe deal, and he's basically a lock to be drafted to the NBA. Some people can make the argument that high school athletes shouldn't be making this much money and having shoe deals, because think about it. Mikey's already being treated like a pro hooper. He already secured his bag, and at this point, he might think he's untouchable and can't get in trouble. And you never know, the judge can make an example out of him and give him time. But Mikey has money to get the best lawyers possible, so I feel like the charges will be dropped. So if everything goes in his favor and the charges are dropped, he needs to surround himself with the right people and stay out of trouble. He has too much to lose at this point, and now if he wants to make it to the NBA, he has to do all the right things from this point forward. Also, if Mikey feels like he needs a firearm for protection, he should hire security. Y'all feel what I'm saying, plugins? It's no reason why Mikey, who's a top basketball prospect, should be in any situation that involves a firearm. He has to make better decisions and realize it just takes one bad mistake to lose it all. It took him years to get to the status he is right now and just a few seconds to lose it all. I hope his basketball career is not ruined. I have faith he will bounce back and learn from this mistake. We all make mistakes in life. None of us are perfect, so hope he gets a second chance in life. Plugins, do y'all think Mikey Williams' charges will be dropped and he'll be able to play college basketball this upcoming season? Drop y'all opinions in the comments, drop a like on the video, and sub to the channel. Turn on post notifications so y'all know when I post. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time.